When that's done, head over to your Printful account and click on Stores. Click on Choose Platform and select Ecwid. Now you're taken to the Ecwid App Store's Printful app page. Now follow the steps to connect your Printful account to Ecwid. Once installed, you'll be asked to log into your Printful account and confirm the connection. And with that, your store is connected. Every Ecwid store comes with existing demo products, so it's easier to preview what your store will look like. These get imported to your Printful account when you connect both accounts. These demo products will show as not synced. In the Printful app on Ecwid, you can click on the box next to them and select to start, hit Add Product, and choose the product you want to add. For this tutorial, I'll choose a men's t-shirt as an example and use the printing technique. You can also pick the color and size for your shirts that you'll be offering. Next, create your design. This product supports multiple print placement options, so you can choose where you want your design to go. For this example, I'll go with this one. You can create a design using our text and clip art tools. With them, you can add multiple layers of shapes, clip arts, and text elements, adjust the colors, positions right in our generator. There's also an option of picking one of our quick designs that you can edit. Or you can upload your own design or pick one of our sample designs. Now you can resize and reposition your print file. Make sure to follow the print quality information here for best results. Now proceed to mockups. Here you can choose the type of product photos you want to show in your store. For this product, we have many mockup image options, but for this example, I'll go with this one. Here you can change your product title and description. As you can see, we already provide the basic product info, but be sure to customize it. Option to publish a size guide on your storefront in either the imperial or metric system. Once that's done, proceed to pricing. Here you can set your product price to a price that will be both attractive to your customers and profitable to you. You can see Printful's fulfillment price here and set up your profit here. For this example, I want the profit of the shirt to be $5, so I set that here. As you can see, the price adjusts automatically. Load, and here, now you can see how it'll look in your store for your customers. Enable Printful's live shipping rates. All you need to do is go to Catalog on the Ecwid dashboard, and in the Printful app, click the Settings link. Click on the Shipping tab here, and select Enable Printful's live shipping rates for Ecwid.